property in North Luzon? Visit our website at remaxarea.com to know more about how our team can help you.
Hi, this is VJ from Remax Area and welcome to another property tour. Today we are in Tuba, Benguet and we are looking at a nature house for sale with 6,000 square meters of lot area, 200 square meters of floor area. Inside the house we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, and of course we have 2 parking spaces. So tara, pasok tayo. So pagkapasok nyo ng gate, you have this beautiful large garden that we will explore later on. Pero ngayon, pasok muna tayo. So here is your main entrance to the house. And you have your stairs over here. This house has a very unique layout and yung style niya dito sa loob. But after you enter the house, you are greeted by your living area. So as you can see, sobrang luwang, open lang siya, and you can do whatever you want. So parang dito, like this one, is you have your entertainment area over here. And then, ang highlight actually nitong bahay na to is this beautiful and large na ating glass and metal window. So, kung mapapansin nyo, this is supported by metal. Kasi syempre dito sa malapit sa Baguio, medyo mahangin, tapos nasa taas pa tayo ng bundok, mahangin, and syempre pag umuulan, ganun, at least you are safe and you are secured dito na hindi talaga mababasag yung ating glass. Kasi meron siyang individually siya na ilagay, and you have then yung ating metal poles na nasa gitna, metal braces. Yan. So here, you have a huge space pa dito if you want to have like a second or an extension of the living area, pwede dito. You can also put yung mga sofa pa if you want. So yeah. Right over here is your kitchen area. So this house has 2 kitchens. Ito yung parang sa guest kitchen. So pag may mga guests kayo, you want to entertain, perfect tong ating kitchen area na to. Now, over here is your formal dining area. Right now, you have 6 seaters, pero siguro sa luwang nitong space na to, you can also, siguro kaya pa siguro 10, 8, mga ganun. So if you have a large family and gusto mo pa ng mas malaking tables and mas maraming chairs, pwede yan dito. So mapapansin nyo, itong buong space na to, puro siya glass. So makikita mo yung garden area and yung mga greeneries on that side, flowers, yan. So parang feel mo talaga that you are one with nature. That's why we said this is a nature house. Kasi nga, para ka lang nasa loob ng isang malaking garden. Tapos dito, we have an area, we have a lanai over here. Pwede ka rin kung gusto mo ng outdoor space and you want somewhere na parang gusto mong mag-breakfast or mag-coffee, you can do it here. But also, mapapansin nyo, this is parang diretso siya towards dun sa ating main gate. So, kung gusto mo, kung ayaw mong umikot pa ganon to your main door, tapos paakyat dito sa living space, siguro pwede siyang i-renovate or gawin siyang stairs and make it the main entrance of the house. So, yeah. Ngayon naman, kanina, dumaan tayo dito. We have here, actually, is, yung dinaanan natin kanina, is your dirty kitchen. So, baba tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kung maalala nyo, dito tayo galing. So, this is your main door. Now, this is a pantry and also the dirty kitchen. Kung punta tayo dito, so this is your dirty kitchen. So, you have huge spaces. Kung mahilig kayo mag-party, mag-entertain ng maraming guests, pwede yan gamitin to. If you want, kung ayaw nyong madumihan yung guest kitchen sa taas, well, mas okay dito magluto. So, over here, meron tayong roll-up doors. So, yung roll-up doors natin is actually a cheaper alternative kasi doon sa sa taas puro na tayo glass. Pero dito naman kasi hindi siya kailangan gawing glass. So, this one is mas okay. And Syempre, open tong side na to and medyo mahangin din. This is safer, lalo na pag maulan na. During rainy season, mas okay yan. So, safe pa rin yung ating mga gamit dito sa ating dirty kitchen. Now, pakita ko naman sa inyo, let's go up and papakita namin sa inyo yung ating mga bedrooms. From the living area, punta tayo sa may dining area. And dito is meron tayong spiral staircase going down to our bedrooms. Tara, check natin. Yung ating spiral staircase leads to your 2 bedrooms. So, dito muna tayo sa kaliwa. So, kung mapapansin nyo, very unique and hindi siya parang katulad ng typical na bahay kasi medyo pa-round kasi yung shape nitong bahay na to. So, here, we have your own toilet and bath. And we have your bedroom. Size ng bed, feeling ko is queen size pero mukhang pwede pa dahil maluwang pa, pwede pa siyang lakihan kung gusto nyo. So you have a natural light coming in from your glass window over here. And sa labas, paglabas mo is you're going to another lanai. Yan. So you have this beautiful space where you can enjoy your coffee, your breakfast, or kung gusto mo lang mag-chillax dito, at least nakakonekta ka dun sa iyong bedroom. Now, dito rin it is connected dun sa kabilang, dun sa ating second bedroom, which is right now, is hindi pa siya nagagawa. Pero what you see from that bedroom is also katulad lang nung nandito sa bedroom na to. Yan, under development. Now, we're going down here. So you have your own space over there. Tapos dito rin, meron ka rin sarili mong space. If you want to add a table and chair, pwede yan. And syempre, you have this nature view. From this area, you can access your master's bedroom. Hindi natin pwede pakita ngayon. So yan. So as you can see, makikita nyo dito, we have, syempre, some people are worried about, syempre hindi naman ito malapit sa town, and some are worried about the water situation. Well, dito, wala kayong magiging problema kasi they have a source of water. Meron silang scheduled water, mga around every other day. So, meron silang main source here, and then they pump this water up to the pond, to the other tanks. Yan. So, wala kayong problema sa tubig. Now, ang maganda naman dito is all the outdoor spaces are connected. So from here, kunyari lumabas ka ng iyong bedroom, mapunta ka dito sa lanai, and then you can also access yung ating garden area. So, mapapansin nyo, mature na yung mga trees, yung mga flowers, so maganda siya. Hindi siya, well, since it's near La Union, parang it's in the middle of La Union and Baguio. Medyo may init lang, pero it's not as hot as La Union. Kasi dito, surrounded ka by puno, by nature. So mahangin pa rin siya and maganda yung parang quality ng air dito. Since this is a 6,000 square meters na lot, 80% of it is actually nature lang siya. Mula dun sa ating garden, papunta rito, is we have a walk path leading to a eco park. So, going down, pwede ka pang, if you like to develop it, most probably, marami ka pang pwedeng gawin. And ang maganda dito kasi is very diverse yung ating flora and fauna. So, actually, doon sa baba ng property mo is meron siyang eagle's nest. If you want to conserve that, mas maganda. Okay, so yan, you have also space here. Right now, they are nag-aalaga sila ng mga kalapate. So, if you are a nature lover and animal lover, this place is perfect for you. You have the space and you have the terrain para mag-alaga ng iba't ibang plants and animals. Now, tara, akyat tayo, going to our next part of the garden. And then we're going to this part of the garden, which is nasa harapan ng bahay. Yan. So you have your very own pond. Yan. So dahil nga wala naman silang problema sa water, they can have, and then they can sustain yung ating fish pond. Yan. These ones naman are future projects. If you want to have siguro a separate guest house, pwedeng-pwede to. Kasi maluwang siya. You can probably build a bedroom over here. Yan. So, if you have guests na gustong magstay dito, pwede sila dito. Now, we're moving on. Balik tayo sa loob ng bahay kasi meron pang tayong roof deck area na ipapakita. And doon yung makikita yung sobrang gandang view ng bahay na to. Dito, meron tayong access to our roof deck. So, taas tayo. So, dito sa roof deck natin, we have 2 levels. This is the first level. Yung makikita nyo, you have pwedeng garden, you have an outdoor space. If you want to put something na parang tables and chairs or whatnot, you can do it here. Mapapansin nyo rin, you have your water tanks over here. Siyempre, mas okay siya sa taas just in case mawalan ng kuryente and the pump doesn't work. Yung ating mga na-store na water is bababa pa rin to our main house. Now, second level of this roof deck is up here. So, meron kang shed dito na you can entertain guests if you want. Actually, doon sa spiral staircase kanina sa baba, going down to our bedrooms, meron din siya, actually here, right here, is naka-prepare na siya. If you want to continue yung spiral staircase, paakyat naman dito sa roof deck. At least, you have an access from your main living spaces or your kitchen and your dining area papunta dito sa ating roof deck. So yan, pakita natin, syempre, you have, diba? You have trees, yan, fruit-bearing trees, yan. And you have, of course, this beautiful mountain view. I guess that is La Union na from here. So yeah, that's it for our property tour for today. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more properties in North Luzon.